Come here. Hey.
Come on.
Oh, Moxie. Oh, Mox. No. No.
Come on, Mox.
Max, you be a good boy. Come on. Come on, be a good boy. Come here, Moxie. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Yeah. It's okay. Hey, Moxie. Hey. Oh, I know.
Go see Max. Go see Max.
She's like,
Come
no.
Here, Moxie. Come here, Mox. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. It's okay, Maxie. It's all right. It's okay. We're okay. What? Yeah, we're okay. Yes. It's okay. Good boy, Max. Good boy. Max. Come here, Max. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. No. No. Come here. Sit. Moxie, come here. Come here, Mox.
Moxie, it's your brother. It's your brother.
Come on. Who's that, Max? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, her tail got snipped. I forgot. Come here, Max. Say hi to Moxie. Say hi to Moxie. Say hi to Mox. 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 Come here. Moxie's like, I ain't coming near that dog.
No, Mox.
He's like, that dog bit me
Like,
one
are you
time."
crazy?
He didn't bite her. He barked at me. Loudly. Come here. Come here, Mox.
Come on, Mox.
Come here, Mox.
Come on.
Moxie moo.
Don't you,
Moxie
girl.
moo. Yeah. Yeah. See, we're okay, aren't we, Max? We're okay. Come on.
Moxie just lays down in submission.
I mean, that's good, though, I guess.
She's a good.
Okay, we good?
I guess. All right.
So, what do I hit? The thing
Hit the
again?
same button, yeah.